you might want to get out of the way there, buddy, because yeah, I gotta run that. Okay, 4S on the Timco Rally Jambo. Magpie does not care. This definitely wants to be more wheelie happy. It's, yeah, I just finished running the Punisher and it's amazing how different this feels. Wow. Oh, watch out for the tree. That's awesome. Lots of power just on 4S. Holy. These Timco Rally cars are something else. That's sick. Just on 4S. Stock as a rock, out of the box. Whee! Alright, let's go in the track. Alright, now I have wound my shock collars down because I had to do that on a Punisher, so I did it on this one as well. So the suspension has been slightly tweaked. It's probably got more rebound than normal. And the car's probably sitting up a little bit higher than what it would straight out of the box. Very nice. Very well composed vehicles. Both this and the Punisher, very well composed vehicles in the air. Like if you're not a big Sandit guy, or even if you are, I think you'll find these will actually behave themselves quite nicely in the air. I may not have enough steering here. I may have turned down my steering way too much. Let me just double check that real quick. Alright, we're good to go. See, so well composed. Very nice, but yeah, definitely the shocks do need a little bit of a tune. Oh, I was hoping to keep it going, but yeah, alright, cool. Let's we've seen the small jumps, but we're here for the big stuff. So let's change the locations real quick. Alright, here we go. Let's see what sort of damage we can cause here. I mean, if I was able to backflip the Punisher on 4S, spoiler alert, I should be able to do it with this guy. Oh no! Nah, not enough there to turn it upside down. That was completely driver error. That was not the fault of the car. That was entirely my fault. Well, front bumper's a little scratched, but aside from that, and my ego's a little bruised, but aside from that, we're good. Man, this thing. Nice. This thing has no problem doing backflips on 4S. I mean, the Punisher, you got to have the right sort of jump and all that sort of thing, but this just wants the backflip, which is precisely what it's meant to do. It's a shorter chassis, it's got big tyres, probably has a slight diff tune, I'm not even entirely sure. Slight different diff tune, I should say, to compare to the other cars. So I can't wait to bring... Oh! I'm completely out of power. I suspect that one of my connectors has come unplugged or something like that. Let's go have a look. Sometimes I have the worst luck ever, and today's one of those days. The battery strap, the little plastic loop that holds the strap in place, that's broken. So I've only got one strap holding the battery in, which means I can't continue running the car and doing massive sends because the battery is going to eject, because that's just what happened here. In fact, my battery tray is actually damaged now. I can see it there because the battery had ejected because the battery strap broke. Thankfully everything else is still intact. I mean, I didn't cause any more damage to anything else. The battery's still good, thank God for that. That's just so frustrating. I was so enjoying this car too. Hopefully it's a fluke. I'm gonna fix it. We'll be back again and you'll see this car running on 6S going absolutely mental. But for now, that is it for me. Thanks guys, catch you next time.